Welcome to CAD Concepts. In this video, we will explore how to make four-side elevation in AutoCAD just from floor plan using YQArch plugin. This video will give you clear understanding how to utilize this powerful command with different aspects. One-side elevation, four-side elevation, inner or outer elevation. We will cover each and every aspects, okay? So, we will take a deep dive. This video going to be very deeply. After watching this video, you will master this powerful command, okay? So, without wasting time, let's begin. If you see here, this plan we have, okay? We will make here our elevation, type LM command. Enter, you will get one dialog box. Let this pick up in room, first one, okay? We will choose single elevation, okay? We want part plan also above elevation, okay? Index above plan, or you can keep below or above your part plan, okay? This decoration parameter, architectural parameter, story height 340. This is your architectural detail, okay? We have covered beam thickness 60 only, window height 120, window offset 90 centimeter. From base level, door height 240, okay? So these detail you can check out what are the majorly important for you, you can keep here, okay? Just okay. Now it asks you pick up a point, means you have to click inside. When you will click inside, it asks you for direction, which direction elevation you want, okay? For example, I want this direction, click here. And insert point where you want your elevation. If you see here, you are getting your skeleton body. Now you can start designing your elevation. So you are getting perfectly window area, door area, your height, everything as you see here. Now we'll see 1:4 elevation, what we are getting here. Same as it is, pick up in row. Okay. And click inside where you want. I'll click here. Now it will not ask you direction because it will give you four side. Okay. Now what you do, just insert point, okay? And let this here. You will get above plan. Now you see here, door area, wall and window. So part plan also you are getting to match your elevation detail. So this will give you initial boost. After that you can speedily start detailing. As you see here, you are getting perfect elevation skeleton body in just one time. 2:2 elevation. This is what exactly we will see, okay? And click inside. When you will click inside, it will ask you draw 2-point rectangle. So it will give sheet title also. Four-side elevation with part plan and covering sheet title. Elevation A, B, C and D. So you can place structured your sheet frame also. So this was about pick up in room, okay? Now we will explore drag elevation. What this exactly? Click single elevation, okay? And drag 2-point rectangle, your outer elevation, okay? Now it asks you direction, which direction elevation you want. One only, because we have chosen single elevation. So this direction, okay? Click here and now click here. Now you see here, you are getting part plan also. And from outside, your one side elevation perfectly here. Same as it is. Take again, I will take this side elevation, okay? Click here and click here. You are getting part plan with your elevation, door and window area. Something like this, as you see here. 1:4 elevation, this is very important, okay? And drag rectangle, first point, second point, okay? It got locked from all sides. and click here. You are getting part plan also and your detailed elevation with dimensions as you see here. So drag rectangle allow you from outside. Okay, you can extract outer detail for your plan. Now we'll see 2:2 elevation. Okay, let this here 2:2 elevations. You are getting gap area, means distance from one elevation to other elevation. Let this 150 unit. Okay, and drag 2-point rectangle over the plan and take here. Now you see here, you are getting 2:2 elevation in drawing frame with part plan also. So this way you can extract drag elevation with sheet title. So story not finished. What are the architectural parameters? And these are the details. Okay. So this layer, which layer you want? Hash name. If you want to change your hash name, you can change from here, and the hash pattern will affect for skirting, floor covering thickness, board thickness. For example, we will change our architectural parameters. Okay, let this will keep wall thickness, left side or right side. Okay, wall thickness, let this 20 centimeter. Okay, and skirting height, ceiling height, board thickness 20 centimeter, ceiling height, let this here 250 centimeter, 240 we are getting already. Our door height will give 240 centimeter, 250 centimeter, skirting height 10 centimeter. So hash name already we have given solid hash. We want solid hash over the concrete area. Okay, you can choose layer color also. You can provide only layer color code. Okay, now drag rectangle and click here. See what you are getting. Now you are getting wall frame also, solid hash over the concrete area, and skirting and sill level. The detail you have provided. As you see here, we have provided 250 sill level, skirting 20 centimeter, board covering thickness 10 centimeter. So these are the details we have provided in architectural parameter. So this way you can make 4-side elevation, inner, outer in just one time. To proceed this method, you have to install YQArch plugin in AutoCAD. YQArch plugin is a kind of additional software, okay, that help you speed up your designing and drafting process. You can explore YQArch Ultimate Guide. You will get amazing insights over there. Installation file, ebook, practice drawing. Just check out the link below. I hope you got this video helpful. Must like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubt, must leave your comment. Thanks for watching. See you in next video with another topic.